Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to manage squad building challenges in Ultimate Team. In the beginning, let's go to Ultimate Team and go to squad building challenges. Right here, as you can see, we've got intro, the club is yours, golden generation, bronze upgrade, silver and more. To unlock each of the challenge, you have to complete previous one. For example, to unlock the club is your challenge, we have to unlock intro. Let's select it, and here we've got challenges. Complete the challenges. Complete the challenges to finish the objectives and gain rewards. Next, we can go to upgrades. Right here you can find bronze, silver and gold upgrade. In foundations, we've got some challenges divided. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.